Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook Insights to analyze your data. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in accessing, understanding, and utilizing Facebook's valuable analytics tool to gain insights into your audience, content performance, and overall page engagement. Step 1. Understand the purpose of Facebook Insights. Facebook Insights is a powerful tool that provides valuable data and insights into your Facebook page's performance. It allows you to track metrics, analyze trends, and understand your audience better. By effectively using Facebook Insights, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your content strategy, enhance engagement, and achieve your marketing goals. Step 2. Access Facebook Insights for your page. To access Facebook Insights for your page, navigate to your page's dashboard and click on the Insights tab located on the left-hand side of the page. This will open the Facebook Insights dashboard, where you can access a comprehensive overview of your page's performance. Step 3. Explore the different sections of Facebook Insights. Facebook Insights is divided into several sections, each providing insights into different aspects of your page's performance. These sections include Overview, provides a high-level summary of your page's key metrics, such as reach, impressions, engagement, and page likes. Posts provides detailed insights into the performance of your individual posts, including metrics like impressions, reach, engagement, and post clicks. Audience provides demographic and behavioral data about your audience, such as age, gender, location, interests, and online behavior. Activity tracks the activities of your audience on your page, such as likes, comments, shares, and clicks on links. Videos provides insights into the performance of your videos, including metrics like views, watch time, and engagement. Step 4. Analyze key metrics and identify trends. Pay attention to key metrics that align with your marketing goals. For example, if you're aiming to increase brand awareness, focus on metrics like impressions and reach. If you're trying to generate leads, track metrics like clicks and conversions. Analyze trends over time to identify patterns and understand how your page is performing. Step 5. Utilize Facebook Insights filters to refine your analysis. Facebook Insights allows you to filter data based on various criteria, such as time period, demographics, interests, and ad placements. This enables you to focus on specific segments of your audience or analyze the performance of different campaigns or content types. Step 6. Compare your page's performance to benchmarks. Compare your page's performance to industry averages or your own past campaigns to assess your effectiveness. This helps you identify areas for improvement and set realistic goals for your page. Step 7. Use Facebook Insights to inform your content strategy. Analyze your audience's interests, demographics, and engagement patterns to understand what type of content resonates with them. Use this insight to inform your content strategy and create more engaging and relevant posts. Step 8. Track the impact of your content on your audience. Use Facebook Insights to track the impact of your content on your audience's behavior. Analyze how different types of content affect metrics like reach, engagement, and conversions. Step 9. Identify opportunities to improve your page's performance. Based on your analysis, identify areas where you can improve your page's performance. This may involve optimizing your content strategy, enhancing engagement tactics, or refining your targeting methods. Step 10. Use Facebook Insights to track your progress and measure success. Continuously monitor your page's performance using Facebook Insights and track your progress towards achieving your marketing goals. Use insights to inform your decision-making and measure the success of your strategies. Facebook Insights is an invaluable tool for gaining insights into your Facebook page's performance, understanding your audience, and optimizing your content strategy. By effectively utilizing Facebook Insights, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your page's engagement, achieve your marketing goals, and grow your business on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.